Number 3 says, Kaylee's class went on a field trip to an aquarium. One tank had 30 clownfish. She miscounted the total number of clownfish in the tank and recorded 24. The tank with 30 clownfish is the actual amount. 24 was her miscount, and so we need to figure out her error. So for finding the error, we're going to see how many there actually were and figure out how far away she was by subtracting. She was 6 off, so her error is 6. And there are actually 30 fish in the tank. To figure out that percent, we're cross-multiplying and dividing. Please solve for how much error Kayla had in a percent, as a percent.